Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the top stories. Sudhin Davlikar fails to convince transporters on HSRP. Transporters to go ahead with mega meeting at Madgaon on Friday. Indefinite hunger strike of Youth Congress begins in the capital city. 50 Youth Congress members to carry on the strike every day. Scrap GPSC if government doesn't want to accept its decision. BJP criticized government's move to cancel selection of teachers. Our target is to make Goa a world motorsports destination, says Bhushan Kadam, ASAG in talks with Shah Rukh Khan over patronship. And MES turned Rosary College in inter-college football enters second round. And now the news in detail. Transport Minister Sudhin Davlikar failed to convince the members of various public transport operators who met him on Thursday evening. Transport Minister Davlikar called upon the members of All Goa Bus Owners Association, Yellow Black Tourist Taxi Association, All Goa Pickup Association and All Goa Auto Rickshaw Association and explained his views on high security number plates. Sudhin held a crucial meeting with many transporters explaining his views on HSRP. All Goa Rickshaw Operator Action Committee President Sheikh Abdul Salaskar said that the suggestion given by Transport Minister is not acceptable and future course of action will be decided in the meeting on Friday at Madgaon.
मिनिस्टराचे म्हणणे असे आसा की ते हाय सिक्युरिटी नंबर प्लेट कंटिन्यू तुमका लावपा पडटलीच हे मंत्र्याचे म्हणणे आसा
ते तुमका मान्य
आम्ही सांगला आमका ते मान्य ना अशें म्हणून कित्याक
Biku Mulgaonkar, who was representing Madgaon Yellow Black Taxi Association, said that they are firm on their demands that the high security number plates should be scrapped. The meeting was also attended by the members of MAPSA, Vasco, Panji, Airport TV and Karmali Yellow Black Taxi Association.
कन्विन्स करपाचे ट्राय केले
कन्विन्स म्हणजे अशें आमचे जे पळय डिमांड आसा ते कन्विन्स आनी आमी त्या खातीर वचूंक ना आमकां फकत बाबा कितें आमचे डिमांड्स कितें आहा हे आमी मिनिस्टरा समोर दवरल्या म्हणजे तेच स्क्रॅप करपाचे आमी ह्यो नंबर प्लेटी घालच्यो ना अशें म्हणून आमी सांगिल्लें आसा.
All Goa Bus Owners Association was seen convinced by the words of Transport Minister. They also suggested alternative way to solve this high security number plate issue. However, majority of bus owners are supporting the North Goa Bus Owners Association, which is led by Sudesh Kalangutkar.
जर तरी स्क्रॅप सुद्धा जर करपा मेळना सारकें जाल्यार तो एबियन्स तरी करचो एबियन्सांक दवरचो अशी आमची एक भूमिका आसा.
Transport Minister Sudhin Davlikar claimed that he was able to convince the transporters who had come to discuss the issue.
ताणी म्हाका एश्युरन्स दिला की इन फ्युचर आमी जर आंदोलन केलें तर विचारपूर्वक तुमच्या म्हऱ्यान येवन हें अशें कितें जाणीव करून घेतलें हें कित्याक काय म्हणून आनी त्या खातीर ताणी म्हाका एश्युरन्स दिला की हाजे फुडें म्हणटा ते अशा हातूंत भाग घेवचे ना.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with video journalist Anil Sanadi for Prudent Media. Goa Pradesh Youth Congress started their indefinite chain hunger strike on Thursday at KTC bus stand in Panji to protest against high security number plates. Around 50 Youth Congress members across the state participated in the hunger strike. Youth Congress reiterated their demand to scrap the number plates.
Youth Congress threatened to continue their agitation till their demands are met. Transporters and Painters Association has also supported the chain hunger strike.
युवा काँग्रेसचा जय हो युवा काँग्रेसचा जय हो युवा काँग्रेसचा जय हो.
GPYC President Sankalp Amonkar demanded sacking of Transport Minister Sudhin Davlikar if he shows reluctance to scrap high security number plates.
आम्ही ऑलरेडी डिसिजन घेतलेले आसा आयज आमच्या आख्खे कमिटीन गोवा प्रदेश युथ काँग्रेसीच्या तिची आमची काल बैठकूय जाली आणि त्या प्रमाणे जे आम्ही डिसिजन घेतलेले आसा ते आम्ही जे इनडेफिनेट स्ट्रायकाचेर वयतले हो चेन इनडेफिनेट स्ट्रायक आसतलो जे पर्यंत हे डिमांड गव्हर्नमेंट आमचे मानना जे पर्यंत नंबर प्लेट इम्प्लिमेंट जी स्टॉप करना ते पर्यंत आमी हो आमचो हंगर स्ट्रायक चालूच दवरतले. ताका 2 दीस लागू या 10 दीस लागू या 6 म्हयने लागू आमचो कंटिन्यूस उरतलो. हेजेर आमी ठाम निर्णय घेतलेलो आसा. गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन एकूच डिमांड आसा की सुदीन ढवळीकर जर आयकना जाल्यार ताका ते मिनिस्टर वरसून काडचो हो आमचो मेन डिमांड आसा.
It is unfortunate that Youth Congress has to fight against their own government to scrap high security number plates in Goa. Every day, 50 Youth Congress members will sit for indefinite chain hunger strike. Let's hope that Youth Congress draws some government attention. In Panjim, Murari Shetye with video journalist Anit Sanadi for Prudent Media.
The Bharatiya Janata Party has criticized the government for scrapping the selection of teachers who had answered the Goa Public Service Commission exam. BJP said that GPSC should be scrapped if government is not interested in accepting its functioning.
The Bharatiya Janata Party has criticized the government's decision of scrapping the appointment of teachers who had cleared the Goa Public Service Commission examination. Reacting to Digambar Kamat's remark of reinitiating the appointment process, BJP spokesperson Govind Parvatkar said that starting the appointment process all over again will be tedious and time-consuming process.
आज जी मुलाखत म्हणजे आज त्यांची मुलाखत छापून येयल्या तितून ताणें म्हटलं की फेर निवड करतले आमी फेर मुलाखती घेतले. फेर मुलाखती म्हणपाक ताका सोंपें एका सेकंडान ताणें म्हटलें तें पूण हो फेर मुलाखतीचो जो प्रोसेस आसा तो प्रोसेस केदो व्हडलो आसा हे मुख्यमंत्र्याक खबर आसा काय कितें. ह्या फेर मुलाखतीक 300 उमेदवार असले अशें हांव आयकता फाटले फावटी. ह्या 300 उमेदवारांक पत्रां धाडपाक जाय. ती पत्रां केन्ना वयतली. ती पत्रां धाडून तांकां मागीर त्या सफिशियंट टायम दिवन तेन्ना मागीर मुलाखती सुरू करच्यो पडटल्यो.
Parvatkar also said that Goa Public Service Commission should be scrapped if government does not adhere to its functioning.
हो प्रोसेस परतो सुरू केन्ना जातलो केन्ना शिक्षक निवडले जातली ती शिक्षक निवड जातली ती परती यादी जातली ती कोण करतलो. GPSC परत ही मुलाखत घेतली काय कितें. GPSC जर परत ही मुलाखत घेतली जाल्यार माझे अशें म्हणणें आसा की GPSC कशी घेवंक शकता टेक्निकली. ह्या GPSCन जें लिस्ट फायनलायज करून दिल्लें तेंच लिस्ट जर सरकाराक मान्य ना टेक्निकली इट्स अ डिफीट ऑफ GPSC. सो GPSCचो उपयोग कितें. आमचे अशें भारतीय जनता पार्टीचें म्हणणें आसा की जर GPSCचे तुमी मागणे मान्य करिना जावं GPSCची यादी मान्य करिना GPSCचे कामाचें काम तुमी एक्सेप्ट करिना जाल्यार GPSC दवरता कित्याक ती स्क्रॅप करा. भारतीय जनता पार्टीची मागणी आसा ही.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi for Prudent Media.
Time for a short break. We'll be right back.